Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a snake game in Python by using AI. So I can come here on chatgpt and go on my account of chatgpt and I ask help me to make a snake game in Python code. So and press enter. It will give me some kind of code that can I use in snake in Python. When I come here on I can start my create a new project. Here I have to write, for example, let me write snake game and click here on create. Let me go here on this window and minimize this. Let me try to minimize it and did this, and I can come here and also it has already given me the code that can I use to make my game. I have to install this package. I can write pip install ponggame and I can come here on run. It will give me the terminal. When I come here on my terminal, I can paste it here like pip install ponggame. It will give me all the tools I need to use in my project. Has already installed my ponggame, and I can come here and copy these codes it provided to me and paste it on my main.py. Paste it like this, and then I have to run my code. So as you see, my code has already landed. I can play it by using left key and right key, even the up and top. When I eat, I have lose. When I collide to the wall, it show me you lost. Please Q to quiet or C to play. Let me have to play on C and I can continue. So it's more faster. When I eat the food, I glow, as also I have lose. And when I press Q, I have already quiet and close my window. And when I also run my code, it will give me another page to play. Look, when I eat the food, it will give me the score 1, continue, and I lost. I scored 2 because I eat 2 food, and show me you lost. Press Q to continue or C, Q to quiet or C to pray. So I hope this video is good for you. Remember to click on subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.